everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl back again with another video. Yes, it is I, Scarlett Maze. So I'm doing something a little different. I feel like my hair, because my hair is a mess. I haven't gotten a haircut, my color is growing out. So I was like, I'll just dye it. And I'm usually the one that dyes my own hair. This was just like a special thing. So let's get in and see how it goes. I am gonna be using, let me grab my little handy bag. Kiss Atomic Pink, right here. And then I have my bags for my bleach. I'm using this, I always use that brand. I have my leave-in conditioner for the end. And my developer, and I got 50, but don't think I should have gotten 50. We'll see how it goes. And of course, gloves. All right, so I actually have some leftover Clairol. I actually have like 2 bottles of these, so I'm gonna use this instead of the 50 that I got because I have never used this one. I really don't even know why I picked this one up. So yeah, thank God. So we're gonna use 1.5 ounces, and you're gonna start into rich creamy consistency. Alrighty. Back bed. Alright, those fumes went all in my nose, y'all. All in my nose. Alright, so this has 16 fluid ounces in there. But the good thing is, oof, I have a little... Alright, so my container has the measurements inside so I can see. So right now it's at 2. And I want to get to 1.5, so I need to put water to, or this, at least a 4.5. And I'm gonna give it a nice stir, just so you guys can see what it looks like. I have a little mirror in front of me, which I'm gonna use, and then I am gonna start from my top because it's a higher concentrated area and move my way down.
Like we at the club. Now you see why I was down there with that face.
Oh!
I'm not the rest of it up.
This boy didn't even bring no lime for me, no.
What lime we got?
I don't know. Yes. No, thank you. Can't see your big head anyway. That's how he be treating me, you know. I am going to go and clean up around my edges so they don't burn me. And then, alright, so I need to go and get it squared away. Gloves off. So I'm going to let this develop for a bit. I'm going to put a little plastic bag over it so that it can keep the heat. And then I'm going to set a timer, and hopefully my hair will be fully saturated and dyed. So I'll be back. Okay, so as you guys can see, I am basically done with my dye bleaching. So I am going to go ahead and hop into the shower and rinse all of this. I washed my hair out, so let's see how it looks. Woo! Not bad, not bad. I think I'm gonna go and like touch up right here because it's not like fully blonde. Just around here. Let me see if I can start. The back did pretty good too. I think I'll also touch up like back hair as well. So I am gonna go and do that right now, and then blow dry my hair and get to dyeing. Hopefully get to dyeing something. So I have basically finished bleaching and drying my hair. I kind of cut off little dead spots. Well, babe did for me, and even out my hair a bit. So let's get going. I'm hoping this is going to be enough, because now that I'm looking at it, I'm like, is this going to be enough? Because I don't know if it's going to be enough. But anyway. to everywhere that I need to apply it to. I'm gonna let this set in my hair for about 15 minutes and then wash, blow dry. Am I gonna blow dry? No, I think I'm just gonna wash and style. So I'm excited. Be right back. Alright you guys, so I washed up my hair and voila! It is a fail. A complete and utter fail. My roots are blonde / orange now. And the top part of my hair is bright pink. So probably just gonna try again tomorrow and apply again and see if maybe that will help. I'm also gonna use the blow dryer a bit. But yeah, here is my video that turned out to be an epic fail. Great! I'm so excited. This is me having a mental breakdown right now. Products. It's more like a cotton candy pink than an atomic pink, but once I put in the product and fluffed it out a bit and the blonde wasn't as noticeable, it's not as bad. So I'll take what I can get, but I am still going to put in some more tomorrow and see if that helps brighten stuff a little bit, because I do not want to be looking orange blondish. Anyway you guys, I hope you enjoyed my video. I'll be back again with another video. Die, fail. Thanks again for watching. It's your girl, Scarlet Maze. Bye.